Today we're going to work on drawing highlights and shadows on objects. So we're going to be drawing with the lights off. We're going to use a flashlight to shine onto an object so that we can see the highlighted area better and so that we can see the shadow more crisply. Here I'm trying to position the flashlight so that I can see the highlight and the shadow at the same time. I'm going to use a white pencil and I'm going to draw on black paper. Here I've drawn the circle for the ball, and then I'm going to start drawing or coloring and shading the left-hand side of the ball because my light source is on the left-hand side, so the left-hand side of the ball is going to be much darker white, or in other words, brighter than the right-hand side of the ball. So I'm going to press down harder with the white pencil, and I'm going to shade darker with the white pencil, but it's actually being lighter. So at the bottom of the paper I did a little grid where I colored from dark white to light white, and the way that I'm doing that is I'm using less and less pressure to make the lighter areas, or rather the dark shadow area, lighter. So I've shaded my ball from light to dark, which is actually pressing harder makes it whiter and brighter. And then so now I'm going to draw some other shapes and make them be other objects. So the arrow is the light source is going from left to right. So on the box I'm shading brighter white or pressing harder on the left hand side of the box and pressure on my pencil less and less so that the right hand side of the box is actually darker or blacker than the left hand side of the box, which is whiter or brighter with the white pencil. Now I'm going to draw a pyramid. Any shape that you do should have a shadow that's the same shape as the object but stretched out a little bit. So here again the light source is coming from the left hand side, and I'm just pretending, so I don't actually have a little triangle pyramid, and I'm not using the flashlight right now. I'm just using my imagination so that I know that the object is brighter on the left and darker on the right. And then here I'm going to draw the shape of a banana. So any object that you do would have the same effect. The shadow would be on the right, the highlighted or brighter areas would be on the left, and you press harder with the pencil to get it whiter or brighter. And then you can see at the bottom of the paper I've used the pencil to just make a little slide where it's white to dark or bright to white, bright to dark. And here I did it again, pressing lighter and lighter and lighter as I get to the right hand side.